Amidst the current unemployment rate, this young 28-year-old man acquired a skill which he has used to employ over 30 youth in Kampala, Uganda. Let's spend the day with him.
I'm 28.
Oh, you're still young. 28,
28.
and you've already developed. You're having, I don't know, over 30 workers on site.
Yes, women come here and people aren't. Now like this, selling only this, it is around 7,000. But you can sell, you can sell like 4 a day.
Can I please start Sandy?
I'm a proud lady.
Okay.
Being here is not torture. I've been able to pay my own tuition. During all, I can do something for my own. And I said this is a result of my sweat.
Wow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're here, please make sure you subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love and support. I really do appreciate. So guys, as you guys have seen from the title, today we are interviewing a business owner, a very big business owner. He does furniture and he's really good at his work. He has actually done for me some work that you guys will see ahead in the video. And this was also a requested video. Some of you have been requesting for me to interview business owners, and this is going to be one of them. I hope you guys love it, and yeah, let's get rolling. Yeah, so we're going to be having a chat with him, getting to learn about furniture, whether it's really a profitable business that you guys can venture in case you're looking to venture into something. Yeah, so let's do this together. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. Right behind me, as you can see, I'm right at his workshop. I had to come and see him here personally and get to learn how exactly some of these things are done. Okay, yeah, so let's do this. Let's have him on the channel. I have my questions for him here, so many questions that I'm sure most of you are going to really love. Yeah, so stick around to the very end. Make sure you don't miss out, and yeah, be sure to support him as well. So guys, let's welcome the CEO of Furniture Nation Uganda. You're most welcome to my community.
Thank you, Miss Sharon.
Yes, I'm so happy to have you.
Furniture Nation UG.
Okay.
Here to take you through.
Oh, it's going to be my pleasure. I can't wait to learn so much about carpentry. So make sure you stick around till the very end. Make sure you don't miss any part, because I'm sure this is going to be something very new to us, but it's going to be also impactful in a positive way. Yeah, so please take us through how you do your carpentry. Tell us some of the things that people would love to know about carpentry.
Now, carpentry is some exciting job.
Okay.
I mean, it is not monotonous. It is so interesting. I mean, it is hands-on.
Oh yes, yes,
hands-on. You enjoy what you do. Mostly, it involves math. It involves
math.
Yeah, having math. Of course, you can't just do something without calculating.
Oh yeah.
It involves the physical touching of the object.
Please show us some of your objects. We'd love to see. Okay.
This is the surrounding. This is where, now this is a table. Let me say this.
Okay.
It's a table. It's gonna be. It is in a spraying process. It's gonna be sprayed. That is the compressor. That is that's the one. The chemical applied.
That's the one for spraying colors. For example, last time when I wanted something white, that's the one that sprays the white.
Now it depends.
Okay.
It depends on what you want, because we do customize. So when you customize, it is up to us to do
exactly
what you ordered for.
Okay.
So that is why last time I told you, actually just minutes back, I told you why we have to involve mathematics.
Mathematics. Wow, it must be not something easy. As well, we're in an era whereby most people are running away from employment. Yeah, people are going into businesses and all that. So I'm wondering, were you once employed? Would you give us a background about how you eventually came up with doing carpentry?
Actually, as you look at me, not that aged.
yeah. By the way, he's a very young man.
The only employment I had, actually, it was my internship.
Internship?
I happened to do my internship at the Bank of
So
Uganda.
how does Bank of Uganda connect with
now?
Yeah, with furniture.
Being a carpenter, actually,
okay. Yeah.
It's not something I went to school and studied. I've been in this environment ever since I was 8 years. So as a kid,
Yeah.
I started through scanning some small objects. There was skilled carpenters around that taught me a lot. So it was mainly hands-on.
Wow.
So it was hands-on.
I'm mind blown by how someone can start carpentry at 8 years. Okay.
Now, the first process we're going to go through before we come back here. It is the initial process, whereby we bring raw timber, we just go through process.
Okay. So where do you get this raw timber from?
We have normally some markets around Seta.
They sell timber.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Indeva, all those places have nice timber. So when we bring raw timber, it is raw, as you're going to see. As you can see, this is now a finished product, just ready for.
This is a table.
It is a table. It is a table stand.
Nice.
Now they are going to put a top. As you say, I wish you people were lucky. You would have seen
the process. I really want to see how they do this. How do they make this furniture be this smooth?
Now, all I can do is to take you through the process.
Please do, please.
So we're going this side.
Guys, come and check out how this is done. Wow, you really have a huge workshop, yeah?
It is huge. Actually,
it's
all
so
I want
huge.
from this place, it is employing so many youth.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So people are getting skilled.
So basically, you also teach people how to do this work here.
The young ones. Like
Okay.
they do to us.
Okay. This is interesting. I can't wait to see this. So at what age does someone come to you to start learning how to do this carpentry work?
We don't normally consider age, as long as someone is interested.
As long as they have the passion.
Yes.
Okay.
As long as they have the passion, of course, doing this job, you have to have that passion.
Yeah, true.
Now, this is the place. It's good. Now, sorry for that, so that's those are some of the disadvantages we have, the hazards. It is not girl friendly, don't girls do it. Yes. Now, as you see this timber, it is rough. It is rough. We haven't done anything on it. Now, the first process, we have to get the perfect thickness. When you get the perfect thickness, you have to take it through that machine. This one, it is called a thicknesser. Now, Sharon, I'm going to show you some of the processes we got through. This is how it is done. Now, this is raw timber. They are going to put it to the exact thickness, the desired thickness. And you turn it on. After getting the desired thickness, you take it to a shooter machine. Now this machine gives you a perfect level. It is so important even during cuttings. So you turn it on. There's something I didn't show you. You spot this? There are bendings. So I'm going to make it straight. Is there any difference? And to see that the piece is straight, this is also a level. It is already straight. It's straight. And after, when we're going to take you there. After you getting this, it is up to you to go and cut just the way it's doing. Yes, Kintu. Oriotya. Oli bulungi. Abantu bange bano tutukoze bulungi nti nno tukusanze okola. Had you scored, huh? It's called Chintu. What he's doing is cutting those things to the exact measurements.
So what are they going to make?
Now I think it's going to make a dough. A dough. These are joints. How you spot the other dough?
Oh, okay, now I get it.
Actually, you see,
So challenging.
you spot the ways. We happen to get a chance. You spot this piece. All this, the designing. It is done by a spindle machine, which the guy is doing. So this is the process. So after him cutting, he forwards. Yes, he forwards to a shooter machine. Then after a shooter machine, we assemble the dough. Then we glue it, just like this. Now this one is done. It is already done. Actually, it is having some glue. Now this is before finishing. Now this is before finishing, before smoothing, before sanding. Before sanding. It is called sanding. That's the finishing part. So you can go to another. From here, I came here when I was 8. Yes. At campus, I happened to do a business administration. So I remember you asking me about how I get the clients. It is only the logic I got from campus that helps me to get more customers. Yes, you have to respect these customers. You have to create a nice network.
You said you've been in this business. If you've been in this business for how many years in total? What are some of the challenges that you have faced?
Now, cutting challenges, just like today. Now, a person spraying at this kind of weather, you expect fading of the pieces.
Oh my goodness.
Now, the other challenge is the amputation. Now, the amputation, people have no fingers, these machines are deadly.
So wait, you want to tell me you've lost some people?
Yes, we've lost people. People lose arms, people lose fingers. The bad wood, you can buy wood and it turns out to burn. This is the spray. To brown. Almost. The other one is still raw without staining. Now this is the top. Yes. Afterwards, they will fix it. Now I remember last time you asked me about a chest of drawers. This is how they install drawers. This is how they install a spot. These are dry runners. Something has to be small.
Which ones are the hardest to make? The ones that have dry runners?
Of course, making a drawer is kind of complicated. It involves a lot of math. So,
how come this wood here looks different? I think it's texture.
Actually, we have a lot of types of wood. Just know. So there is some wood that is good for such pieces. So this is the sanding section.
Is this your entire team?
This is our team. It is comprised of over 30 people. That is why we value time. You remember what I told you when you ordered? I told you when you make your order. Now, like last time you made an order of a TV stand. All I remember, I did it in 2 days. It is because of this team. We are a team here. We are a team. So that is a bed yet to be sprayed. It is already finished, but you can feel it. It is already a bed. Now that is a 6x6 bed. That is a finished product. It is all just left with dusting. These are some of the machines. Cut this. It is normally used in cutting angles and cross cuts. Yes, a cross cut. When you see this, now this thing is long. Meaning, if you want to chop, that is called a cross cut. If you want to bisect it, that is called a long cut. Now this can do a long cut. Well, the other machine can, where it was. Yes. Now this it is mainly used for cross cuts and angles, cutting angles when fixing. Oh, I can show you. Now assuming we're cutting this, you can simply put it. It's good. If I want to change the angle, I simply turn it. We're already saving time. Yes, we're already saving time. Now the challenge is, now you see this this thing, the amputations this thing is causing. It is I mean, it is an accident. Normally they are unexpected. Now it doesn't mean it isn't a problem. So it is a problem. You have to focus when working with such machines. You can lose. Yes, you can lose. You can lose a finger in just seconds. If this thing can cut wood that fast, what of your fingers? You have to be focused. Then the other thing is the health hazards. The cough we get from the sawdust, the flu, the pneumonia. So carpentry is full of sawdust. Now mahogany, this is mahogany. This is mahogany. Now to see the difference, I as an experienced carpenter, first you look at the grains. But again, mahogany has its color. Yes, there are some types of wood that have the same colors. Now you can look at the grains. These are grains. There are some small running lines. They are different from these. The spot. No, this is pine.
Pine looks better.
To you, other people like mahogany, other people like musambia, other people like karate. As long as, actually, let me tell this to the public. As long as wood is dry, any dry wood is nice wood. Instead of saying smell mahogany, already know. Now there are defects that mahogany can cause. The red no won't cause. Just because some wood is overhyped, people are kept in the dark. Now, if wood is dry, then that wood is good. Selling out carpentry, we mainly do it online. If it is online, you can get me anywhere. So I have contacts.
So you don't have people that come to you directly?
Yes, we have them. No, those are few. Since we do customize, we only do customized products mainly. So these are people we get from internet. Social media has done a lot of marketing for us, because actually my morning routine, when I wake up, I have to post. I normally post that during prime time. Prime time is around 7 in the morning, 6 to 9. Then I get busy. Then in the evening, during the same prime time, around 6 p.m. to 9, I'm over marketing, asking my clients. Actually, I also do reviews. I tend to ask my clients how my pieces are doing, just to keep that close network.
So how about in case someone said something that they don't like, how do you usually go about it?
Now, what we normally do, now, look, a customer is my boss. So I have to make sure my boss is satisfied.
But sometimes,
Yes, I know. When the project goes wrong, I have to incur the losses. Yes, I have to make sure that the boss is satisfied. So that means I have to redo the work. But to avoid that, you have to keep detail. You have to be detailed. You have to look at the piece, look at it, measure it. You try and share with the customer before the product is done. For that, you're trying to avoid the consequences. Yes.
Have you faced them quite often? Or
Yes, we face. These are problems we normally face.
Yeah.
It depends on how you handle this customer. Of course, I'm in a wrong. Why would I back? You understand?
Wow.
I have to admit.
That must really make you.
Yes, you're saying we have no women. She's bad. We're having women. Ladies work. They know what they do.
Yeah.
They like what they do.
Yeah.
They are physical. Furniture is so wide. Now this is the sanding process. Huh?
So what is it currently? It's called sanding.
The sanding.
Sanding.
Yes, it goes through different steps. Many steps. Actually, there are 4. And now it depends on the paper she's having.
So sanding is what makes the furniture smooth.
Yes, which is called finishing.
Finishing.
Yes.
I'm learning new things.
Hey, you have to apply some chemicals like thinner, the sanding sealer. Now you have to use the sandpaper. What she's using is called sandpaper. That paper she uses.
I'm happy to find a lady in this business because it's not usual. This is really nice.
Now this is a finished product. Now this one is yet to be finished.
So you make everything to do with wood.
We make everything concerning wood. Beds, we do beds, we do tables, we do TV stands, we do skirtings, we do ceilings, we do a lot.
So based on the time that you have been here in this business for the longest time, I don't know how many years, but close to over 20 years.
Close to 20. Since
You
8.
really have a lot of expertise. What? 20 years in business. Would you recommend this to someone that is just starting out?
Actually,
Wants to start carpentry?
Actually, of course you can't do business without getting profits. You starting a business, you have to target the profits mainly. So it is profit oriented. I'm 28.
Oh, you're still young.
I'm
28 and
28.
you've already developed. You're having, I don't know, over 30 workers on site.
And what is interesting about wood, we need labor.
All the time.
Now this man,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm telling you the process, how people normally come. Now, if you come to us, you tell us, man, I want to be part of your team. Our doors are ever open
To everyone. Wow,
as long as you keep the discipline.
As long as you keep the
Yes, women come here and people earn. Now like this, selling only this, it is around 7,000. But you can you can sell like 4 a day.
Can I please start standing?
Hey.
Can I please get someone please get me some?
Hey, you can sell like 4 a day.
7,000 per chair.
Per chair.
Wow.
Hey.
I really need to join this business. I need a side hustle.
Now you can sell around like 4 chairs.
How old is your oldest employee here?
Yeah, in the
How
business.
long have you been with him?
Some people have spent like 30 years.
30 years?
30 years.
On this very same land?
Yes. Those are teachers.
Wow, 30 years in business.
30 years. Others 28.
Like you guys have had out there, this business can be done by literally anyone that has passion and discipline.
If you have the passion, then you can learn. Because most of the people you've seen, they come when they are totally green.
Yeah.
But as long as you have the passion, then you will learn. It means you are ready to learn.
Yeah. So people out there should be open-minded to learning different businesses.
You know what is so interesting about these jobs, man? They are not even boring.
They're not boring.
They are not boring. They are not monotonous.
Thank you so much for your time. I hope you guys have really loved this video. So please make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm definitely going to put his contact below on the screen, just in case you want.
Then
someone
around
contacts you and they want to start learning carpentry.
people are free to come.
Is it for free?
People are free to come. That is why
Just come and just
you can just come as long as you're passionate.
Yeah.
When you come, I will teach you how to sand first, because that is the basic
That
step.
is the best. So how does someone know that now this is a fully sanded book?
You feel it. You feel the smoothness.
So So guys, one thing I can say for sure is that I'm really impressed by what our youth nowadays are doing. People are no longer into financially, I only need to be in the office, oh, I only need to be a lawyer or something. Nowadays we're having successful carpenters in the business and they are really doing so well, as you guys have seen. We've taken you around. So if you're also out there and you want to start up something into carpentry or to equip yourself with a skill that can earn you some money, that can earn you a living, something that you love, I think carpentry will definitely be the best thing for you right now. Yeah,
it is a profitable business. That is all I can say.
Okay. And
as long as you plan very well.
As long as you plan very well.
Yes.
Okay, and just like any other business,
just like any yes.
And it's not restricted to only men. We've seen some
women are actually.
Yeah.
She's my good friend.
You can tell us some of the things that you've learned from carpentry ever since you joined this business, and how it has profited, how you have benefited out of it.
How I pay you.
In other words, report him.
Actually, she's so friendly.
Yeah.
Do you spot the age?
Yeah.
Have you seen that I pay all the guys around? I mean, these are youths.
They are.
Yes.
Yeah, you're really doing such an amazing job to employ youth. Just tell us some of the things that you learned from here, how it has benefited you. Do you need a boyfriend to give you some money, or you have done everything from
She's
here?
so loaded.
Yeah.
First things first, I think. I'm Aisha.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Aisha.
You're well. I'm a proud. Let me say I'm a proud lady.
Okay.
Being here is not torture. Actually, I'm a graduate. I'm graduating on Friday.
23rd.
Wow.
23rd.
Congratulations.
I'm graduating. And I think I've been able to pay my own tuition during all throughout this journey.
Wow.
Yeah, just not because there are no people that can pay my tuition, but because I thought I can do something for my own. Yeah, I can. Like any other person out there, do something for myself, and I said this is a result of my sweat.
Oh wow.
Just
Wow.
that.
This is so beautiful.
Just that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I came here around during the COVID time, by the way.
It was around 2020.
2021, yeah.
Yeah.
2021, I think. I was just seated home, used to see his brother around. Then one time I told him, you know what? I think instead of sitting home, let me come and do something for myself.
Yeah.
You remember that time was so redundant.
Yeah. We had a lot
Actually,
of
Yeah,
time.
I approached her.
That's how I
Yes,
started.
I told her no. You know what, Aisha? Shouldn't just sit around. You come. You just earn something. Half a loaf is better than none.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
true. And she has been here for 3 years.
Actually, right now she's so experienced. She knows all the stages.
Wow, this is impressive. And you've been here for 3 years, ever since COVID-19. Wow, congratulations, well done. I'm so proud of you. It makes me so happy to see my fellow ladies out here doing things that not everyone would do. That is really impressive.
She's a slayer,
I can
but
see.
a slayer who works.
Yeah, so
That's exactly what we love.
if you see me here
Yeah,
and you find me out there, I'm not the same
you're two different
person.
people.
Instead of being there, going around someone, being on their neck, I need this, I need this, I
that.
need. No,
For you,
Say
already
it, no.
sorted.
She comes.
I can
she
do
sends.
something for myself.
Wow, this is impressive. I can't stop being so happy and so proud. I'm so proud of you. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys have. I hope you guys have listened. But just like you have heard from Aisha.
Be like Aisha.
Exactly. Like be like Aisha. Do something for yourself. Get out of those comfort zones and do something new. Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much, Aisha, for your time, and I wish you all the very best here. I can't wait. Maybe one day you guys need to come and support Aisha. At least for Aisha's sake.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I did a diploma in travel and tourism.
Wow.
But it's not surprising that I'm here.
Oh wow! I hope you guys out there have also loved this video. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and please make sure you come and support Furniture Nation UG. They have the best furniture in town, hands down, at least I've also experienced their furniture. I'm not just saying just for saying. I'm going to show you guys a piece that I got from Furniture Nation.
How was it?
Awesome. Really, really awesome. Like I told you, it is exactly like you really pay attention to detail. And I really like that. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I don't know if there's anything else that you would love to tell my audience.
She's having a graduation on 25.
Yeah, please congratulate her down below for me. Yeah, until next time, guys. We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.